for the working hours only.
No, what is the exact position?
Regarding the one thing, now the sheets. The sheets we are already taken estimate. The sheets.
No, garbage. Can you dump the garbage there?
Yeah.
You can dump.
Yeah, procedure there.
Day to day. But you are dumping. Municipality is dumping day-to-day garbage to Sansodo.
Yeah.
And how many sites are running totally?
Garbage.
Yeah, for garbage, garbage treatment.
There's only one treatment plant is there, no?
Only treatment plant.
Yeah.
And HGPDA?
Day-to-day garbage.
HGPDA and behind the municipality?
No, that is stopped now, the building.
It is stopped. But CEO is saying that Sansoda is almost full.
No, there is place there.
And you are finding
I have to go and have to take inspection
tomorrow. You don't have idea?
No, I have not been there for a long time.
But CEO is saying that...
He must, I don't know what he is saying, but I have to go and check. But I asked the supervisor, there is place.
Okay. Have you identified any...
No.
The next...
that now they're going plumbing. But that is what places there, those buses, the buses.
But you are thinking...
They're stopping us.
But you are thinking of dumping garbage there?
But the district has given permission.
So you are thinking of dumping the garbage next to Kadamba?
No, this is how road gang garbage is.
Huh.
Not the wet and all.
Not wet on.
No. All the daily wages, the daily garbage what we get on the road. That garbage.
And the biomethanation plant नाही केले ना प्रोसेसिंग कधी ते म्हणजे तुमका हे दिले त्यांनी कधी अल्टिमेटली किती टाइम
that is the expression of interest.